So today we will discuss about printing. Okay, because this is lesson 3. In lesson 3, their main focus on the printing, how to set a print area, how to print all the document, how to you can print entire workbook. Also, you can print a selected area, and also you can print a particular worksheet. So today we will discuss everything about printing with Excel. So let me open the Excel and then we discuss each and everything. And you see here heading is mentioned like using office backstage. So let me open the Excel. Then you can easily understand what is meaning of Excel backstage. So just when I click on the Excel, so basically this area is called Excel backstage. Okay, so here you can see the various option is available: new, open, account, feedback option. So this area is called Excel backstage. Okay, so if you want to work on the blank workbook, so definitely you can select here blank, otherwise open you previous use Excel sheet. It totally depend upon you. So today we will discuss each and everything about the printing. So first is how to print about a selected area. When we are talking about selected area, means suppose I have selected this, so this is selected area. Okay, so if you want to take print, so also you can print this particular area, and here this is entire sheet. If you want to print entire sheet, so definitely we can print entire sheet. Also we can print entire area. Okay, so let me mention something here, so you can find out what is basically meaning of selected area. Okay, so here I have typed something to represent you. Okay, and here also. So first focus is in what is means of selected area. Okay, suppose I want to print only 3 line. So basically this is selected area of Excel sheet. Now what you have to do, click on the file. So here you can see the print option. Okay, when you click on the print option, okay, so here you can see various option is given: print active sheet, print entire workbook, print selection. When you click on print selection, so basically here actually this is not connected to any printer, that's why we are not able to see the preview, but let me try once. Okay, let me discuss it further, because printer is not connected, that's why we cannot able to see the print preview. But there are 3 options, so let me discuss one by one. Print selection means what you have a selector that will be print that particular area, and print active means basically that will print the particular sheet. When you select print entire workbook, means this command is going to print your entire workbook. Workbook means sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, whatever number of sheet is mentioned, that particular thing is going to be print. Now here you can see the option page 1, page 2. So by default it select all the pages, but if you want to take printout from page from 1 to 3, so here you can mention from page 1 to page 3, means it will print page 1, page 2, page 3. If you mentioning 1 to 4, means page 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are mentioning page 3 and 3, means it will print only current page or third page. Okay, here you can mention from 5 to 9, so this will going to print 5 to 9, means page number 5, page number 6, page number 7, page number 8, page number 9, this is going to print. Also here you can see how you are going to print, what is your pattern of the printing. Here there are two options, one is portrait orientation, one is landscape orientation. So here by choosing option you can change your orientation also. Landscape means horizontal, or portrait means vertical. Here there are various options of page sizes, A3, A4, B4, means on which page size you want to take print out. Here you can set the margin as well. Suppose if you want to put the margin from right and left, so you can from here you can see. And also there is a various option, no scaling means whatever standard printout it will be take. If you want to fit on one page, so every content will be fit for printing on one page itself, and fit all column on one page also you can do, fit all row on one page. So by using this option also you can set your printing area and printing things. Now here if you click on print properties, so also you can get some various option. Okay, currently this is not working because printer is not connected. Okay, now moving towards some other properties. Now talking about customization of a quick access toolbar. So in my first lecture I have already discussed what is basically meaning of quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar means those are options are available which are frequently used in Excel. So here basically this area is called quick access toolbar. Here you can see by clicking there are various options are available. If you click, now open is always enabled. So whatever option you want to use frequently you can select and make it at a quick access toolbar. So now there is other option also. So if you want to add more in quick access toolbar you can do. What you have to do, firstly click on the file, there is a option you can see. So a pop-up will be open. Here you can see quick access toolbar. Okay, now here you can see these things are already added in a quick access toolbar. If you want to add another things, so here you can do. So here you can see the various options. Suppose I want to add a spelling check, something like this. So here spelling add. Now okay, this is already added. Okay, suppose I want to add something paste. So here paste is already added. So by this you can add. Also you want to customize your quick access toolbar, you can do this. Suppose if you want to remove this email, so just remove. Now this is removed. Suppose if you want to add quick print, just you have to click and make it add. This will be added in quick access toolbar. Okay, so this is all about the customized toolbar. Now talking about customization of ribbon. Whatever here we are seeing, basically this is an example of a ribbon, and in ribbon there is a group, there is a there are many subgroup also. So if you want to customize, same procedure you can do. So just click on the file, click on option. Here you can see customize ribbon. When you click, okay, so a pop-up will be open. Now here you can see there is a home. Under home these are some command insert. Here you can see page layout. Here you can see, and also if you want to enable developer, so here click on developer will be add. Also here you can create a new tab, means you can make your own ribbon. Also you can make your new group. Also you can rename whatever you want. So there are various options. Suppose here I want to add something from here to here. So suppose spelling, okay, and where you want, firstly you have to command need to be added to custom group. To create a group, pick a tab in the list. So suppose if you want to add this, so firstly you have to click a tab, add custom group. Okay, so here you can see, suppose I have created a group custom and add this. So here you can see this is added. So basically in this procedure you can create a new tab, new group, and also you can put name your convent for your easiness. Suppose if I want to change the name of this group, definitely I can change, because there is an option of rename. Here if I want to change this, there is option of rename. So according to usage also you can change the name of ribbon as well. So basically these are the procedure ki how we can customize our custom toolbar, how we can customize our ribbon, how we can take a printout by setting multiple things. So now let me open the content of this chapter. So I think we have discussed everything in quick manner, because when printer is connected, so by using yourself you can do this. So here you can see we have already discussed what is meaning of print active sheet. Means whatever sheet will be selected, this command will print that particular sheet. When you talking about print entire book, so this will print entire workbook. If you're talking about print selection, means that will print whatever we have selected for printing. Here you can set the letter format, means paper format. This will be letter A4, A3, something like this. Here you can set the margin. And now here you can see the various option is given. We have already discussed. So by figure also you can easily understand what we are talking. Now here we have discussed about customized region, customized ribbon. We have already discussed how we can customize our ribbon and customize a quick access toolbar. So now let's discuss about some question. Which of the following is where you can save, select a template, change document properties, and close, exit Excel? So basically this is the correct option is Backstage. To change printer layout or margin setting, you click the file tab and use which of the following options. So basically we select the print option. In print option we can change the margin, layout, orientation, everything we can do. Which of the following can be customized for quicker access to your most commonly used command? So this is quick access toolbar. Basically quick access toolbar is a particular area where all the symbol or the command store which are frequently used in Excel. When you modify the ribbon, which of the following is created? So definitely a command will be created, and also we can create a group, command, new tab. Okay, which pre-designed file already has a significant amount of formatting tests and other feature? Basically that is called template, because when you are going to select the template, they have a predefined design and everything. To access an Excel template, you can click the file tab and then click this is false. If have too many column on a page, the only option to see them all on the print page is decrease the column width. No, this is also false. We can select the print all the column in one page. You can access Backstage by pressing Ctrl V. So this is also false. And in Excel you can add your most commonly used command to a quick access bar to. Yes, this is correct. You can create a completely new ribbon tab as well as group and retired ribbon. This is also correct. So now we have discussed the chapter 3. Now moving forward chapter 4. So in next video I will going to discuss about chapter 4, lesson 4. That is very much important, because we are going to discuss about basic formulas, how we can write the basic formulas in Excel.